Welcome to Auto Insights, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews, expert analysis, and the latest updates from the automotive world. Today, we take a closer look at the new 2025 McLaren Artura, a cutting-edge hybrid supercar that blends performance, innovation, and efficiency. McLaren has taken a bold step forward with this model, refining its hybrid technology while maintaining the brand's signature lightweight design and thrilling driving dynamics. The 2025 Artura is powered by a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine paired with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of around 690 horsepower. This setup ensures lightning-fast acceleration, with the car capable of reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3 seconds. The hybrid system also enhances efficiency, allowing the Artura to drive short distances in pure electric mode, making it a more practical option for city driving without compromising on performance. The instant torque provided by the electric motor ensures immediate throttle response, giving the driver a seamless and exhilarating experience. McLaren has always been known for its lightweight engineering, and the 2025 Artura continues this tradition with the use of the McLaren Carbon lightweight architecture. This advanced chassis keeps the car incredibly agile, improving handling and overall performance. The suspension system has been fine-tuned to provide a balance between comfort and sharp cornering abilities, making it a versatile supercar for both road and track use. McLaren has also introduced an updated 8-speed dual-clutch transmission that delivers quicker and smoother shifts, further enhancing the driving experience. Technology plays a crucial role in the new Artura. The driver-focused cockpit features a high-resolution digital instrument cluster and a new infotainment system with improved graphics and functionality. The touchscreen interface supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. McLaren has also introduced an advanced driver assistance system, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and traffic sign recognition, making the Artura not only a performance powerhouse but also a more practical and safer option for daily driving. The exterior design of the 2025 Artura is unmistakably McLaren, with aerodynamic sculpting that enhances both aesthetics and performance. The sleek lines, aggressive stance, and active aerodynamics ensure optimal downforce and cooling efficiency. The signature dihedral doors add a touch of exclusivity, while new color options and customization choices allow buyers to personalize their Artura to their liking. The lightweight wheels and high-performance tires contribute to the car's stability and grip, ensuring maximum control at high speeds. Inside, McLaren has focused on a driver-centric layout with premium materials such as Alcantara, leather, and carbon fiber accents. The seating position is optimized for a perfect driving experience, providing excellent visibility and comfort. The minimalist yet functional design ensures that all controls are within easy reach, allowing the driver to stay focused on the road. McLaren has also worked on enhancing the overall refinement of the cabin, reducing road and engine noise for a more immersive experience. With the 2025 Artura, McLaren continues to push the boundaries of hybrid performance, offering a supercar that blends speed, efficiency, and advanced technology. Whether on the track or the open road, the Artura delivers an exhilarating experience that stays true to McLaren's racing DNA while embracing the future of electrified performance. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the new 2025 McLaren Artura, make sure to subscribe to Auto Insights for more expert car reviews, latest automotive news, and exclusive insights into the world of high-performance vehicles. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and let us know in the comments what you think about McLaren's latest hybrid supercar.